In early 2023, Shiba Inu surprised the crypto world with a burst of renewed energy, catching the attention of both seasoned investors and newcomers alike. Once dismissed as a meme coin with little substance, SHIB began to show signs of real evolution, driven by months of behind-the-scenes development and a passionate community, the SHIB army, who refused to let the project fade into obscurity. This wasn't just a fleeting price spike, it was a coordinated surge fueled by technical upgrades, innovative community initiatives, and a growing list of expanding use cases that hinted at a much larger vision for the project. The project's ambition to move beyond its meme origins became clear, as developers focused on building real utility, launching new features, and laying the groundwork for a sustainable ecosystem that could stand the test of time. The market buzzed with questions: was this just another hype cycle, or was SHIB truly maturing into something more substantial and enduring than anyone had expected? The answer lay in a mix of technical progress, strategic planning, and a community determined to prove SHIB's staying power, as well as its ability to adapt and innovate in a rapidly changing crypto landscape. To truly understand this pivotal moment, we need to look deeper, beyond price charts and headlines, to the mechanics, vision, and relentless drive that were pushing Shiba Inu forward into a new era. Let's break down the key factors behind SHIB's early 2023 resurgence and explore what set this awakening apart from previous cycles. SHIB's price outperformed many assets in early 2023, but this wasn't just speculation. The anticipation of Shibarium, SHIB's own blockchain solution, acted as a major catalyst, drawing new attention and reinforcing community confidence. Like a tech company's stock rising before a big product launch, SHIB's value surged on the promise of lower fees, faster transactions, and a new platform for developers. Regular updates from the development team built trust and kept momentum high, distinguishing SHIB from other meme coins. As Bitcoin and Ethereum stabilized, the market's renewed optimism spilled over to altcoins like SHIB. SHIB's strong community and positive news flow positioned it perfectly to capture this wave. The narrative shifted. SHIB was no longer just a meme, but the native asset of a growing blockchain ecosystem. This transformation set the stage for its next chapter. Token burning became a defining feature of the SHIB ecosystem in early 2023, marking a pivotal shift in how the community approached value creation and sustainability. By permanently removing tokens from circulation, the community increased scarcity and potential value, creating a sense of urgency and excitement among holders and new investors alike. Community-led burns, through businesses, games, and online platforms, removed hundreds of millions of SHIB tokens in January alone, showcasing the power of collective action and grassroots innovation. This wasn't just about supply and demand, it was a statement of faith in SHIB's future, a rallying cry that united the community and inspired new projects to join the movement. Burn tracker sites became popular, letting holders see their collective impact in real time, and motivating even more participation as people watched the numbers climb. The upcoming Shibarium network promised to automate burns with every transaction, making scarcity a built-in feature and ensuring that every user contributed to the ecosystem's health. This shift meant burning would move from a voluntary act to a core part of the ecosystem, seamlessly woven into the fabric of every transaction and interaction. As network activity grew, so would the rate of token burns, directly linking utility to scarcity and making every transaction a step toward a more valuable SHIB. The excitement around this mechanism fueled even more engagement, drawing in new users and strengthening the bond among existing holders. SHIB's burn culture became a unique driver of its identity and long-term vision, setting it apart from other tokens and reinforcing its community-first ethos. Scarcity, once a meme, was now a strategic advantage, transforming SHIB from a playful experiment into a project with real economic impact and a passionate, united community. On-chain data in early 2023 revealed SHIB's expanding user base and network health. The number of unique wallet addresses holding SHIB steadily climbed, signaling growing adoption. Whale activity was telling. While some took profits, many large holders accumulated more, showing confidence in SHIB's future. Large transaction volumes spiked, indicating interest from institutional players and high-net-worth individuals. This blend of retail and whale activity provided a strong foundation for SHIB's rally. Active addresses increased, showing that users weren't just holding, they were transacting, staking, and engaging with the ecosystem. The network was alive and dynamic, not just a speculative asset. These metrics pointed to a project gaining real traction. SHIB's growth was visible not just in price, but in the health and activity of its entire network. The data told a story of momentum and maturing participation. The biggest catalyst for SHIB in early 2023 was the highly anticipated launch of Shibarium, a project that had been in development for months and generated massive excitement within the community. Think of Shibarium as a brand new superhighway for the SHIB ecosystem, an innovative solution designed to tackle Ethereum's notorious congestion and high transaction fees, which had long frustrated users and developers alike. As a Layer 2 solution, Shibarium promised not only faster and cheaper transactions, but also a smoother, more accessible user experience for everyone involved in the SHIB community. For developers, it opened the door to building affordable, scalable, decentralized apps, from finance to gaming and beyond, all centered on SHIB, making the ecosystem more dynamic and diverse. The public beta launch was a major milestone, letting users test the network, explore its features, and experience its potential firsthand before the official rollout. Anticipation was high. Shibarium's success would prove the team's technical capabilities, boost confidence in the project, and set the stage for a full mainnet launch that could change everything. This wasn't just an upgrade, it was a complete transformation of what SHIB could be, redefining its role in the crypto world. The promise of a versatile, efficient ecosystem captured the market's imagination, drawing in new users, investors, and developers eager to be part of the next big thing. Shibarium aimed to turn SHIB from a meme into a platform for real innovation, empowering creators and entrepreneurs to build the future. The future was being built, one block at a time, as SHIB laid the groundwork for a new era in decentralized technology. SHIB's evolution included more than just its main token. The ecosystem expanded to include Leash and Bone, each with unique roles, Leash as a store of value, Bone as the governance and gas token for Shibarium. Bone's new utility as Shibarium's transaction fee token created organic demand tied directly to network growth. The team's tokenomics strategy aimed for sustainability and real-world use. SHIB also ventured into the metaverse with SHIB.io, offering digital land and new ways for the community to interact. Partnerships with merchants and payment processors helped normalize SHIB as a payment method. Each new collaboration, big or small, reinforced the narrative of adoption. The ecosystem's growth signaled a shift from speculation to utility and brand building. SHIB was becoming a multifaceted project, not just a token. Its expanding universe hinted at even bigger ambitions ahead. SHIB's impressive rise in early 2023 unfolded alongside a broader crypto market recovery, drawing attention from both new and seasoned investors. As Bitcoin and Ethereum rebounded strongly, they lifted the entire market, creating a risk-on environment for altcoins and encouraging more speculative trading. SHIB's performance was amplified by its own unique catalysts, especially the much-anticipated Shibarium, allowing it to outpace many of its competitors in the altcoin space. As an Ethereum-based token, SHIB benefited from the industry's growing focus on Layer 2 scaling solutions and blockchain innovation. Shibarium's launch aligned perfectly with the trend toward multi-chain ecosystems, further validating SHIB's strategic direction and long-term vision. The surge wasn't random, it was the result of internal project progress meeting favorable market conditions at just the right time. SHIB's story became one of true evolution, transforming from meme to utility, and from hype to real substance in the crypto world. For more insights and updates on crypto's fast-moving landscape, stay tuned to Crypto Insider for the latest analysis.